Welcome dear people, this is Sarah. I hope you guys are doing fine. So this video that I'm doing today is about this week's guidance. I will be using my all-time favorite Osho Zen Tarot deck for these predictions. And I hope you guys are now aware about the 4 elements that we have in the tarot deck. So the 4 elements are fire, earth, air and water, and all the 12 zodiac signs are divided amongst these 4 elements. So for this week's video, I'm taking the fire element first, and in the fire element we have 3 zodiac signs. Those are Aries, Leos and Sagittarius. So let's check the guidance for my dear Aries. So to all the Aries, this week is going to bring something new in your life. So जो भी आपकी hopes या whatever dreams that you have, or जो भी आपने manifest कर रखा है, basically that is going to come true pretty soon, and success is just right in front of you. So don't give up right now. Keep on moving. This week has something good for you. So keep manifesting good things in your life. So the next zodiac sign will be Leos. So to all my dear Leos, it is pretty much important to learn from your mistakes. Okay. So if something wrong happens in your life, don't take it in the negative sense. Just take it in the sense that it is happening to make you learn something. Correct? So if I talk about trust on your inner wisdom. Okay. So this week's guidance for you will be that you need to trust your inner wisdom, listen to your inner voice before taking any decisions, and आगे बढ़ो, अच्छी बात है, but then अपनी past की गलतियों से सीख के आगे बढ़ो, so that you don't end up by making the same kind of mistake again. So the next zodiac sign is Sagittarius. So to all my dear Saggies, career life में कुछ नया होने वाला है. There is something new which is about to happen. There are new growths or new beginnings that may happen, but then personal life is a little bit messy this week. So take care of your personal life. Don't indulge in any sort of arguments this week. Rest. Everything is good so far, but then again I would advise you to do meditation and spend some time with nature to build the inner peace which has been lost. The next element is the earth element, which has 3 zodiac signs. Those are Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So to all my dear Taurans, you have caged yourself in those emotionally blocked walls. So usko break karna is pretty much important. Because you are stuck right now in the materialistic world, and that is not going to help you out in the near future. So for the growth जो आप चाहते हो, जो आप transformation basically अपने में देखना चाहते हो, उसके लिए it is pretty much important to leave the materialistic things behind and focus on the right things. Focus on attaining the inner peace to get that transformation or to achieve your goals. Now it is the turn for Virgos. So to all my dear Virgos, अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ issues आ भी रहे हैं, so those issues are going to end pretty soon. It's just a matter of 10 to 15 more days, and good things are coming on your way. There are new beginnings which are about to happen, but make sure if you are taking any decision this week, you need the guidance from somebody who's elder, or somebody who has knowledge, or an experienced person before taking any decision this week. Rest. There are new beginnings which are about to happen. So now the next zodiac sign is Capricorn. So to all my dear Capricorns, alright, this week will be turning up in your favor, the way you take it. Okay, so basically it is pretty much important to take things positively. अगर आप अपना चीजों का positive result चाहते हो तो, ठीक है? So the more you share, the more you will get. There are new beginnings, there are new adventures that are coming in your life in the near future. तो जिस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो उस डायरेक्शन में जाते रहो. Good things are on their way. Okay? So the next element that I'm taking is the air element, which has 3 zodiac signs: Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So to all my dear Geminis, जो भी आपने अभी तक अचीव किया है लाइफ में, दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ योर हार्ड वर्क. दिस इज बेसिकली द रिजल्ट ऑफ your experiences that you have earned during this time, right? So don't suppress your emotions because it is going to harm you. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. The abundance, you have everything in your life, right? You have the abundance, you have wealth, you have everything that is required to make you happy. It's just that there's the need for you to look at those things with the open eyes. So now it's the turn for Librans. So to all my dear Librans, rigid रह के stubbornness में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. You will end up by losing things. आपका ही नुकसान है. So to gain good things in your life, because सब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, but then you've been thinking a lot many negative things. You are overthinking right now. That is the reason कुछ अच्छा हो ही नहीं रहा लाइफ में. So it is pretty much important to let go of those negative feelings, to let go of those negative emotions that you're still dragging, and attract positivity your way. Now it's the turn for Aquarians. So to my dear Aquarians, take care of your stomach health this week. Also, you cannot control everything in your life, right? So let go. Have faith in universe. Everything is going to get fine soon. सब अच्छा हो रहा है. It is really important to just walk the way. जहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो, जिस तरफ आप उस तरफ जाते रहो. Just keep on going with the flow. Things are going to get fine soon. Okay? But make sure you are not suppressing your emotions, and also take care of your stomach health. The next element is the water element, which has 3 zodiac signs of the Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So to all my Cancerians, this week will prove to be the master week for you. It's going to be the good week when you will be going ahead and getting the result of all the things that you've been waiting from quite a long time. Overall, a very good week, but make sure that you share. जो भी आप earn करते हो, let's suppose आपको 10 rupees का कुछ benefit होता है, तो make sure you end up by donating at least 1 rupee to some Gurdwara Sahib or some temple to go ahead and because by donating you are going ahead and blessing your soul. So it is pretty much important to do that. So the next zodiac signs is Scorpions. So to all my dear Scorpions, you have everything in abundance. Plus this week you may end up by getting some inherited gain from your parents or inherited property gain. अगर कोई होने वाला था और इतने टाइम से अटका हुआ था तो वो हो सकता है. Also this week will end the past things. जो भी आपकी लाइफ में अगर कुछ बुरा हो रहा था, so that is about to end, and this week is going to mark the beginning of something new. To all my dear Pisces, let's take the guidance for you. So if I talk about my dear Pisces, this week आप struggle जो भी कर रहे हो अपनी life में, it will end up by giving you fruitful results. Do not give up. Success is right in front of you. It is pretty much important to keep hustling. Okay, keep moving in the same direction that you're moving right now. Profit gains होंगे, लेकिन इतनी जल्दी नहीं होंगे. Long run में, yes, it is going to be fruitful. Long run में, yes, it is going to be beneficial for you. So that's all for the weekly guidance for this week. I hope you've liked the video. If yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.